season of snooze alarms, sounding general quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen, clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers, no excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers.
What's up, fam? We're over here at the Bernalillo County Courthouse, a revisit, if you will. Just kind of double check on things. They say no cell phones. We're gonna double check, make sure that that's a thing, because you know things change sometimes. Maybe they changed it. Who knows? Hey, man, how's it going? Just wanted to come back up here. We were up here before looking at these things.
Okay.
Notice the signs outside. Are they still in effect? Is the whole idea of you're not allowed to have your papers and effects on you while you enter the courtroom?
I've seen folks taking papers and stuff like that, yeah.
So this would be
and things like that.
This would be an effect.
Oh, I understand.
Yeah.
It is my understanding that phones are not allowed.
Crazy.
Inside the courtroom.
Okay.
You know the site?
Right.
Now, this administrative order and this amended administrative order are all based on this New Mexico statute?
As far as I know.
Okay.
I don't actually work here full time.
The thing is, Bob, it's not that I'm lazy. It's that I just don't care.
Okay.
I'm on overtime.
Well,
Okay.
So I'll be honest with you, I follow the directives that I'm told when I'm ever just streaming folks through.
because they do make exceptions for what you called credentialed press.
Say that again, sir?
You have someone here in their writing of the unconstitutional administrative order have made exceptions for certain individuals.
What they call credentialed media. Now, yeah, because it says it right here. Credentialed media, members of the media. Now, the funny thing about that is, where's press on this? It doesn't exist, right? So there is no press allowed. But the problem with that is that the press is a constitutionally protected activity, right? And so, as a member of the press, I would like to be able to gain entry with my effects.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Let me.
And one of the things that you folks have gone through to kind of highlight as to what gives you authority to keep us out with our camera, right? I've taken the liberty, because I'm an old guy and I don't see as well as I used to see, that I actually blew up what you folks were trying to keep us out of the building with, okay? And if you read that carefully, what is the camera?
Yeah. Where does the electronic device or my effect come into play? You know.
And what's the distinction that they're making between a credentialed member of the press and somebody with the inalienable right of freedom to the press?
These are all good questions, gentlemen, that I don't have a special good answer.
Then maybe with all due respect, if you could get maybe one of your supervisors here, or if you have an attorney on staff that might be able to
County attorney, or maybe one of his underlings, maybe. Yeah.
Let me see if anybody's available. I know that most of the courthouse actually shuts down at 4. There are select offices within this building that are open until 5.
Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha.
So kind
Yeah,
of
it's
ghost town at the
4:30,
moment,
so-
I'll be honest with you.
Yeah,
Let
yeah.
me see if anybody's on staff. It might be better if you guys could come back tomorrow. Maybe there would be somebody to answer your questions better.
Maybe.
I don't have good answers.
Well,
But I do hear what you're saying.
See, I understand that I shouldn't be able to go into somebody's private office or some courtroom or whatever like that.
like a secure area, open and
But
locked
to me, it
doors.
seems like, as especially as a sworn constitutional, I swore an oath, right? That I ought to be able to come in and take pictures of the public displays, the public boards, who's got court, what time they've got court. If I chose to put them on a channel or print it on a newspaper or get on a ham radio and say people, because I'm a member of the press, right? So,
And I
it's
know that
hard
all the
for-
cases and stuff that are being heard, to the best of my knowledge, are actually on in courts as well. So I do
But see,
believe it's public
everyone
record.
says, well, you can go online, you can go online. What about the homeless guy?
Sure.
See, I don't think of just myself. I think everybody says, oh, I'm here, I want to do this. Well, you can go online and do it. No. I ought to be able to come here and do it. Right?
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. So yeah, let me see if anybody's on staff. I don't know if anybody is still here.
Yeah, it's
So
4:30.
maybe-
So,
I'll be
yeah.
honest with you, if you want like good, legitimate answers, I don't have them for you, but maybe tomorrow might be better. Let me see though. Hold on. Let me just...
All right, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so what we were just told is that a good place to call and a good number to call would be these phone numbers here, or if you wanted to come back tomorrow, earlier than 4:30.
Yeah, we might have to come back tomorrow.
Like I said, I know that there's a lot more people during regular business hours. It does sort of clear out a little bit.
Yeah.
And again, far be it from me. I understand what you guys are trying to do. I appreciate that.
Did you serve?
No, sir.
Okay.
But my dad did. And my
But
brother
you did swear an oath to the Constitution,
Yes,
work
sir.
with you.
Yep.
Do you happen to know what the 5 elements of the First Amendment are?
I would love to hear them from you today.
Well, I mean, there's only 5 of them. Most people get one. And I've pretty much told you what one of them is the freedom of the press. So if you want to, if anybody puts you on the spot in the future, just remember the turn RAPS: religion, assembly, petition, speech, and press.
Press.
All right.
Yeah, man. RAPS. R-A-P-P-S. Religion,
I
assembly,
suffer
press,
from what they
petition,
call
speech.
a disability, where I don't remember things as much as I used to. So I'll get into a train when I'm trying to teach somebody something, and I'll mess it up, and that doesn't make me a good teacher, even though I have the mind to be able to teach. So I tend to use my camera to record my events, and it also ensures that when I'm speaking to somebody, whatever they're telling me, I'm not going to be able to be told later that we told you something different.
Sure. That makes sense to me. Yeah.
Because I wouldn't have the ability to remember. So you could tell me I'm in a contract with you, and if I didn't know, I wouldn't know.
I'm a big supporter of the cameras. I like them myself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very glad that we wear them. So again, guys, I really do wish I had a better answer for you.
No, and I appreciate your
I don't know
professionalism.
if it's state statute. I don't know if it's a judge's order or the expectations here within the courthouse. I truly don't know. But yeah, I think a better day at a different time, or rather, a different time would be better. And you'll
So
see the results.
my question then, so under the current knowledge, well, if we were to try to enter and we had our cell phones, knowing that this statute is trying to be applied to this administrative order, would we be arrested?
No, sir, I would not arrest you.
You wouldn't arrest me if I walked through there? Would someone else arrest us?
I couldn't tell you for certain. I doubt very seriously, especially again given the time frame and what we've already talked about.
Yeah.
Again, I think First Amendment auditors are really cool.
That's him! Kill the bastard with the video camera!
Yeah?
I don't have any issues with you guys. I think it's really great.
Yeah.
So again,
Well,
just being real with you, like I said, I don't know where it came from, but I'm doing the best that I can to.
yeah. No, I like it, man. I like it. I mean, so ultimately we did want to come over and ask about it because the last time we were told to leave, we were
Under
told
threat
that
of
we
arrest.
under threat of arrest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And so
And again,
this is
maybe
a new.
Maybe I'm speaking out of turn, but
No. I'm glad that you say what you say. We don't have the intent to go in today. We do want to go in, but because of the confusion, we may come back another day.
And again, being honest with you, so
We
folks, and I've been working overtime here since August periodically.
Okay.
This is my first interaction with First Amendment auditors.
Okay.
For me personally, I would get more clarification.
Yeah, that's what we're
because
after.
I wouldn't be comfortable necessarily arresting you guys if I didn't have a full.
Yeah, if we just came in with
clear
cameras.
understanding.
And see, if you don't,
But that's just speaking for me. Right?
Yeah,
I can't speak for all the other
Yeah,
companies here. I don't
exactly.
know.
if people come into a building and simply be told that they can't do something
Yeah.
that they know that they have a constitutional right to do, it's you, maybe as an officer, you know that people on the street, if you're involved in a traffic stop, they're allowed to film that stop.
Yeah.
Yep.
You know, it used to be a time they didn't like it, but you're allowed to perform. You're allowed to
Exercise your rights.
your right and film public officials in the performance of their duties.
Yeah.
So we were just across the street over at the other courtroom. We had a nice conversation like we're having with you and one of the gentlemen there.
Yep.
But we had a conversation with one of the, I will say,
Can I walk the gentleman out? We're actually fixing to close.
oh,
the
very
Yeah. Oh, are you? Okay. That's why this gentleman came out. He said, "Oh, we're closing." Yeah. That's exactly right.
Thank you for listening.
Yeah, thank you. And yeah, we'll come back another day. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for your professionalism. All right, there you go, fam. We're done. They were very professional.
It's funny until it's not funny. No touchy coppers. It's funny until it's not funny. No touchy coppers. Who wouldn't want to stop the cops from putting their hands on people? Unless the crime they commit warrants it. Equal treatment under color of law. Another mistreatment of justice. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. Oh, touchy coppers. Touchy coppers. Fuck the loyal order of leather. This conspiracy is not a theory. Brady listings, what a bunch of pig shit. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Oath breaking's made easy. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Breaking the oath is easy. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. A season of snooze alarms sounding general. Quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen. Clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers. No excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers.